I don't know what this darn pig is doing. He's trying to roll inside of a bucket full of water, I guess. These two idiots. Will you get out of there, both of you? Come on. Look out, Bella. Beans, get out of there. Hey. Hey, get up. Move. All three of you, move. It's not a bathtub. What are you doing? She's trying to wedge herself between this water barrel I just put in and the wall. Oh, she's trying to lay on the cold ground. That's what it is. See, this is what pigs do to cool off. I just dunked her. You know, I just dumped water all over her back, but it splashed onto the ground. So now she's trying to roll in it, trying to get some of that wet clay on her skin because that's their sunblock. That's just what they do. So it probably means they need some shade out here, which I don't blame them. It's pretty sunny today.